guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at a new Shiatsu foot and calf massager from TISSCARE. Alright, so here's a closer look at the massager. It features a nice 360-degree handle, which you can use to easily carry the massager around your house, maybe to and from work. I like that feature because a lot of these are big, clunky, and you do not have an easy way to carry them. Up front we have the control panel. It has on and off, heating, direction changes. There are 3 different modes. We'll go over the modes as soon as I plug this in and turn it on. But another thing I want to point out and show you is you can take off the covers and easily wash them. They zip on and they zip off. And here you see all of the mechanisms. Sort of. But here along the side, you'll see when I turn it on that these compress, and then down here the balls move up and down, and this is where the heat comes from too. So I'm going to turn this on in a second. I do want to point out that this does turn off after 15 minutes. It's a nice safety feature just in case you might leave it on or something like that. So you're not going to have to worry about it setting your house on fire. Alright, so let's plug this in and get a closer look. Alright, so before I get started, here is the instruction manual. The manual itself has various pages on the modes and product information you might find helpful at certain times. Alright, so let's get started. The on button is right in the middle. As you can see, I'm going to slide my feet in. Probably best if you do that before you turn the on switch, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. But as you can see, it kind of engulfs my feet, and I comfortably get to enjoy this massage. Here's a closer look at how it works. It kind of just moves back and forth along the sides and up and down. I'm on mode 1. If you can see on the screen here, it does say mode 1, and then I have 14 minutes left. Mode 1 is slow speed with clockwise and anti-clockwise massage switching. Mode 2 is medium speed with clockwise and anti-clockwise massage switching. And mode 3 is fast speed with clockwise and anti-clockwise massage switching. So the modes just increase in speed, the first one being the slowest and the third being the fastest. Now you can also add heat as well. Heat is on the side. As you can see, the light comes on at the bottom, heating your heels. So I'll put my foot back in. And heating the top balls of your feet as well. Very comfortable. Very enjoyable, actually. I do suffer from bunions, and so my feet do hurt a lot of the time. And after hard days, this would be great. Especially if you are on your feet all day. This is going to help you at the end of that long, hard day. I really like how this one feels. I'm used to the massagers that just, it's one flat panel and you put your feet on it and it does some, just basic massaging on the bottom of your feet. But this one, it feels like you're putting your feet in and then someone's actually like massaging it. Maybe if you went to go get a pedicure or something like that, that's what it would feel like. But it's actually very nice and very comfortable. You can also use this to massage your arms. Feels really nice. You can also use it with your shins as well. All I have to do is press the on button. I think this would be great if you have shin splints or anything to that nature, or if you're an athlete. I recommend finding a nice comfy chair and setting this up. All you have to do is position the handle to a certain degree that you feel comfortable with, and then go from there. Alright, so that's a look at the TISSCARE Shiatsu Massager. Please check the description section below for more information. Like the video, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.